Alright, good evening. This is Nukemarine again. I'm going to start up this series, or restart it, make from the middle. What I'm going to do, this is not going to be part 8, it's going to be sort of like 7.1. The idea here is subtitles as featured in this program right here. In the last video I made, there were some changes made by the author, and they were very good changes, and I wanted to demonstrate what those can be compared to what the last time I showed you. So the first step I did was talking about how to take a video and how to rip audio. So go to here to subtitles, extract tools, extract audio from media, same as before. So the screen comes up. What's different now is that you don't have to put it all into the same folder. So you can directly pick a media. So let's say I wanted to pick a media, and in this case, let's say Ryosei no Kizuna. And so I would pick that, and I would pick open. And now it's picked, and I want to pick where it goes to. And what I normally do is I'll just pick temporary for right now. Bitrate, I keep it 128. Lyrics. Here's the other change he made. He made it so that it will automatically use your subtitle files and take those subtitles and put it onto the lyrics of the MP3 that results from this. So in this case, I would go up and subtitles. I just kept in the video subtitles files. Okay, we'll go back. We'll say there it is. Okay, so I picked that up. Now what would happen when it starts, it will break it, in this case, I'll break it up into 5-minute segments because that's what I've had it picked up from right here. Just like before. But at least this time now, I only need to pick this one video. I don't have to like separate it into different folders or move files around. I can just pick it directly. In addition to, if you saw when I picked videos, when I clicked on media, all these videos pop up. But if you notice, I got 3 of them, Ryosei no Kizuna 1, 2, and 3. So let me cancel that real quick. So if I wanted to, this is a trick. Ryosei no Kizuna, there's the name. Keep the AVI file, put an asterisk there. Now the program will look for all videos that have that name on it, which would be 1 through 3. And it will then try to split the audio for that. And then don't forget to do it for the subtitles, same thing. Leave the SRT, but keep an asterisk. And now you'll be getting all these subtitles will be added onto your split sections. In addition, when he splits the subtitles, he'll actually change the times on the subtitles so that it relates to the audio file at the time on the audio file. And so when you put it into your iPod, you'll notice it. Like I said on the previous video, you'll see it pop up, and you'll be able to read along as you listen to it. So this is a very good example here. Obviously, choose your name, and be careful about this. First episode, this is, let's say you start at episode 4. You would pick it on 4, and then choose the name, whatever it would be. Or if you start on episode 2, pick it on 2. And if you got multiple episodes, it'll start naming with 2. Alright, one other thing of note, if you're using Windows, don't try to change, right now, don't try to change the properties of the audio file. For some reason, I don't know why, I was using Windows 7, it was deleting the lyrics files. So I'm not quite sure what's causing that, but we'll just leave it at that. So we cancel this. Now, same rules apply if we wanted to do a subtitles. Pick the subtitles, output where you wanted it. In my case, I'll put temporary, sure. And whatever subtitles for the native language, which I don't utilize, video. Again, pick the video. In my case, we'll just pick this one. Use the sub, span, pre-time shift. These are useful just in case there's any shifting in the between the subtitles and the audio. The span is useful if you don't want to, if there's only like you only want to do 10, 20 minutes of it, you don't want to worry about it. Generate audio clips. Again, you can extract it from the video, or if you have the audio on file, same. Generate snapshots. Usually use 240 by 160 or by 131, depending on the range. Crop bottom. Again, if you want to get rid of, if you happen to have a video with audio with English subtitles hard copied onto the video, use this to get rid of it. You kind of have to play around with it. Generate video clips. Again, name of the deck. Ryosei no Kizuna, if I wanted to. First episode. Now here, I'll be right here. So Ryosei no Kizuna. Now right here, preview. This is useful here in that you can make sure are your settings the way they need to be. So let's click that. and this pops up. So this helps you tell, hey, how's it going to work? So we're only using one set of subtitles. Click here, and I believe you can get it to where you can play it.
3人でぶっ殺そうな。
Right. What I recommend is like go through very distinct portions of the video and check it out. Okay, it's selecting. Well, anyway, so again, here's the benefit. You know how to take this is a great update to subs to SRS. So the author needs to be congratulated. If he set up some type of PayPal account where you can donate, please donate to him. This has been a very useful tool for learning Japanese or pretty much any language. People have been using. I know some Japanese persons are using it to learn English.
まあ、間接的に取り返す方法はないかなと思う。
Okay. I cannot stress that this has been about the most useful tool for helping learn another language that I've found, other than actually going to the country and learning. But anyway, this is you bringing the materials of that country to yourself, in this case in video format or books, manga, bring that to you. Now you're just using it to actually study that material. And this is just one method of doing it, but it's one I find it really useful. So I'm going to close this out. Okay, I'm going to close this out. So like I said, this isn't I'll be continuing on and finishing up the series with the subs to SRS, how to import those into Anki and how I go about studying it, and maybe a couple other changes that I'll work with. Again, if there's any type of comments that something I missed, something I mistook, or some mistake I made, please tell me in the comments files. We'll make changes as necessary. And like I said, if you're going to have to rip audio, just use subs to SRS. Don't use any of the other stuff I showed you. That just showed you how difficult it is. Subs to SRS is now the way to go, about the only way to go. Either for ripping audio or for creating your flashcards for your import into Anki. All right, thank you very much.